going on, everybody? My name is Brandon B, and it is so good to be back behind my phone. I just wanted to give you guys an update to the channel. For those of you who don't know, I've been doing custom stickers for people. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please go follow me. I'll link it right here. Flair Designs, that's my business. Yeah, if you guys need custom stickers, make sure you guys hit me up. So I'm pretty much here running my home business. I actually have a job right now for an artist named FAMN'S, who's gonna get 20 shirts with game winner, one color printed on the front. I already got everything set up. I actually have the heat press ready to go right now. Thought I'd record the process for you guys. You guys go check him out. He's a pretty cool artist. I'll link his music in the description below. All right, so here's the shirts we're gonna be pressing. These are 100% heavy cotton shirts. Here is our vinyl print. I love doing black on white. Anytime you do this, it's just gonna pop. So this is the perfect logo to go on these shirts. We gotta turn on our trusty dusty heat press. I got the shirts ready to go. Heat press is already warmed up, so let's get right to it. All right, here it is. Even though it looks good, I'm gonna adjust it several times because you never know. It could always look better, look a little more straight, and yeah, just gotta make it perfect. Try to make it perfect at least. All right, so the next thing we gotta do is get some parchment paper. I like to lay down a piece so the shirt can lay on, just so nothing sticks to the back. Anything remaining from the heat press from a job before won't get stuck to the back. Of course, you gotta put one on the top over the print, and over the shirt, so no scorching happens. It doesn't get burned in any kind of way. Just protects it. All right, so our first press is done, looking good. I'm gonna lay it flat, then give it a little stretch from side to side, up and down, just to give it some extra stretchiness for the washing process. You know, just give it a little extra strength. So we're doing our second press. The second press is to make sure the vinyl really sinks into the shirt's fibers and textures, giving it an almost screen printed finish. You can run your hand across it and only feel the shirt texture. Super smooth, super clean. That's what the second press does. It also increases the longevity of the shirt, making it last so much longer, preventing cracks and all kinds of wear. And this is what I mean about smooth and textured. If you look inside the letters, you can actually see the texture from the shirt. That's how you know you did a great job. All right, the shirts are all done. Check them out. Bam. Looking super clean. This is like small, medium, large, double X, XL. Stacked, smallest to biggest. Yeah, they're all finished. Hopefully he likes them. I'm gonna pick them up in a couple of minutes, so super stoked to see if he likes them. I think they came out excellent though. Whew, can't wait. So yeah, guys, he picked up the shirts. He said he really liked them, so that's good. Like I said, I thought they came out really good, so I'm happy everything turned out okay. If you guys need any custom shirts or custom stickers, please let me know by sending me a DM on my Instagram. If you guys want to check out my TikTok, I also made one of those, so go follow me on there. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, commenting, staying subscribed. If you guys want more content like this, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!